The role of plain cement concrete, PCC, in building construction, particularly before footing, cannot be understated. This crucial element serves as the foundation for the footing structure, ensuring stability and a level base for even load distribution. Comprising a mixture of cement, sand, and water in a ratio of 1:0.5, PCC is typically 50 mm to 100 mm thick. It is vital to lay PCC in layers and compact it meticulously to eliminate air pockets. Before laying the footing, the surface must be leveled, cleaned, and moistened. Adequate curing, lasting 7 to 14 days, is imperative for enhancing the strength and durability of PCC. By following these steps diligently, the integrity and longevity of the building structure can be greatly improved.